Bullish Star Atlas. Atlas cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.006589 and $0.012446 by 2030. Market investigators accept Atlas could reach $0.005125 by 2025. Bearish Star Atlas market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.001171. Star Atlas presentation NFTs. The most up-to-date obsession with the web are supposed to influence the gaming area. This state-of-the-art innovation might change the internet-based video gaming area's financial potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by consolidating NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is preparing for the following flood of computer games is Star Atlas. Star Atlas is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Atlas players investigate the huge bereft of space in quest for precious NFT-based jewels. It makes a metaverse experience by melding blockchain systems with NFT situated in-game things and specific illustrations advances. What is Star Atlas? Atlas, a space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network, is called Star Atlas. According to its white paper, clients may combine efforts, coordinate, and battle their direction into neglected territory on account of this astounding creation. In August 2021, Star Atlas will start its very first coin creation movement. It highlights in-game resources in light of the idea of non-fungible monetary forms, NFTs, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their novel resources. Each component in Star Atlas is an NFT that has been put to the blockchain specifically. The Star Atlas game's universe is tremendous, and players should go out on forlorn, rough undertakings loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outsmart different players in the metaverse. Star Atlas ongoing interaction in the game. Players can make huge urban communities and private companies, or rally and make decentralized independent associations, DAO, to lead over specific regions. Players gain virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Atlas totally embraces decentralization, rather than most of brought-together gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game items. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. Star Atlas key examination. Financial backers utilize this technique to learn the genuine worth of a coin. The primary objective is to survey a large number of inner and outside components to decide whether a coin is exaggerated or underestimated. Financial backers use this information to astutely enter or leave speculations. Basic examination is one issue that should be tackled prior to exchanging cryptographic money. The financial backer can get a sense from a basic investigation of what money control and speculative action will mean for the digital currency, and how to continue. Specialized examination isn't quite so huge as this point, which calls for more consideration, examination, and experience than formal tutoring. Principal examinations targets the cryptographic money market's crucial investigation, fills the needs recorded beneath. Future cost development determining calculating a fair worth or normal value management evaluation, assessing the intensity of the organization, evaluating the monetary soundness of the association. Key investigation components. There are three basic parts to essential examination: economic assessment, business examination, industry research. Crucial examination is an extensive technique that requires a careful comprehension of bookkeeping, money, and financial matters. For example, grasping macroeconomic issues, knowing valuation methodology, and having the option to decipher monetary reports are essential for performing principal examines. Moreover, it by and large purposes openly accessible information, like an organization's past income and net revenues, to gauge future development. Star Atlas is at present worth $0.001464 United States dollars. Atlas has moved 1.36% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $787,658. Star Atlas is right now positioned 681 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $14,354,720 United States dollars. Using the general strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination uniqueness, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Star Atlas. To conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Star Atlas market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2023. Star Atlas, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Atlas cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0.002196. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow. However, no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.000205 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible sooner rather than later, given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Atlas is supposed to have a base worth of $0.001757. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024 Star Atlas cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Atlas will before long outperform $0.003661. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Atlas's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Atlas will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.002929 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.003221. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.005125 and Atlas might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Atlas is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.004686 and a low of $0.004393 in 2025. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Star Atlas effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the Atlas coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Atlas will be green in 2026. The Atlas is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.006589 with a base cost of $0.005857 and a typical cost of $0.00615. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Atlas cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.007614 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.007321 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Atlas has a most extreme value worth of $0.008053. Star Atlas